Hey everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video, I'm going to show you Oppo A3 remove the pattern lock. If you forgot your pattern lock, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain. Don't skip the video, please watch. I will try pattern lock one more times. No, it's wrong. Okay, now power off your phone. Press the volume down and power button. This unlock method is no need to PC, so normally if you unlock this mobile, press the volume down and power. After logo is coming, and remove the power key and hold volume down and recovery mode is showing. Nice. Wait 1 second, and if you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. And select the language and English and click the format data and type this verification code 6013 and click format. Oh my goodness, your phone is totally format. Okay, now reboot your phone and now normally power on your mobile.